Alyssa here. Guess what I've never made? A giant thing. So I'm gonna make a giant thing.
A giant oreo-stuffed chocolate chip cookie.
It's gonna be a fun time and it's gonna be, you know, let's just do it. Okay, we're gonna have to make the giant Oreo first. This is 10 pounds of sugar. Bigger than a small baby. Bigger than like a normal sized baby. If you had a baby and it was 10 pounds, people would be like, are you okay? And you wouldn't be. I got jumbo, ooh, ASMR. Jumbo semi-sweet chocolate chip, Hershey's, cocoa, whatever. I got a bunch of, this is floss. That doesn't seem to fit the theme, but I needed floss yesterday, so. Special dark cocoa sifted. It's one of those fancy recipes. Stay. In a medium mixing bowl, I'm gonna call this medium. Medium. That's what you are now. Hershey's Special Dark Cocoa. But we're gonna start with Ghirardelli because I have that at home and it's open. So I will not take your brand loyalty to heart. Ooh, okay. There's like crumbs in this. Where did those come from? Oh God. Oh, it's good. What? Oops. How do I do this? I don't think this can fit in there. We're just gonna be guesstimating. This is very not me to be so lax about it. Oh, cocoa's getting in my nose. Okay, for half a cup. What the heck? Where is it? What? Where the heck? Apparently I don't have a half cup measurement, so that stinks. You know what? I might have put one of the cup measurements in something. I just hit the jackpot. You have been found, my friends. Half cup of this baking powder, or what is this called? Soda. It's not soda. Cocoa. Cocoa. I was worried sick about you. Half cup measurement. I didn't even need to buy this. I still have more. Financial woes. Wastes of money. What? That was unnecessary. Oh, the screen? Making a mess. That's the cooking way. Whoa-wee. This is gonna take forever and a day. Okay, this is too small of a bowl. You need to take it like this. Oh, we're just left with some nice little pebbles. Ah, cocoa pebbles. Do I smush them so they go through or what? Nice and sifted. This bowl was a big mistake. Classic Alyssa move. Dirty another bowl for truly no reason. Oh! I just got cocoa powder on my computer. A lot of it. Crisis averted. Sifted stuff. Did it. Set aside. Sugar's everywhere, guys. This is bad. My child. That would be the dream, actually. I love sugar so much. Like, I would have a sugar baby. And another cup. Whoa, whoa. That's good, probably. Maybe a little too much, but a little too much sugar is the right amount in my book. Continue mixing. Add the dry ingredients a little at a time and mix on medium speed until just combined. Medium speed? I'm a person. I don't have a medium speed. I'm just gonna be erratic. This looks so good. That's sad, but I know that it's just sugar and butter, so I know it tastes amazing. Oh boy. That was a lot. It's looking gunky. This smells so good. A little at a time. I could do a lot at a time. I'm good at this. I am breathing in so much cocoa powder. I probably just basically ate an entire cookie. Some more of that in there. It's getting hot in here. I had to turn off the air conditioning because it's so loud. It's like, but now it's really hot. I'm sweating, and this is also just, it's a lot of work, guys. Wow. Hope it's worth it. I could have used a bigger bowl. I truly could have. My oven is loud. Do you guys hear that? We get it. You're heating up. Like, calm down. It's not that awesome. I cook like this. Just realizing that about myself. You learn something new every day, you guys. Sometimes it's helpful and sometimes it's just something stupid. Like, I hold my shoulders up when I cook. Does not want to come off of there. Do this. So I stick my hand. And it's sticking to my hands anyways. Great. This seems too thick. You can't be too thick though. But you can if you're a cookie. I feel like Donkey Kong. Bongos. I would turn the camera off right now because this part is boring, but my hands are like this, so you guys are gonna have to watch this. I'm impressed at the moment. This looks good. It smells good. It tastes good. Okay, this is heavy. Whoa! Whoa, don't fall off. Beautiful. I'm gonna put them in the oven. In my mind, if the parchment paper is too big, it's gonna catch on fire. I know that that doesn't make any sense, but it's a fear that I have. Into the oven. Come on, guys. Easy hand mixer set to medium. I don't have one. It's gonna be me. Set to medium. Butter, softened. Done and done. Where's my assistant when I need them? I don't have an assistant. I'm gonna make sure I get all the butter in there because I love butter. 4 cups of powdered sugar. Sifted again? I'm not doing it. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4. Gosh dang it. This is all going really well. Mixing it up. So hot. I think I might give up and turn on the air conditioning. I'm turning it on. I'm turning it on. I give up. I see why I was supposed to sift this now. It's very lumpy. Maybe if I try hard enough, it's gonna be lumpy. Does it taste like Oreo cream filling though? Whoa! It really does! That's amazing. Entire big circle. Look at that. Yum! That's going in the fridge. Oh, aggressive. It does smell like they're burning. Yeah, this guy's a little bit burnt. It's okay. It smells bad, but it's okay. Wow. Oh, too much. I'm trying to be a machine. Piggy boys, flour time. Oh, hey, what's this? Oh, I just found another measuring cup. Nice. Oh my god, my arm. Hello? That's telling me that the Oreos that got burnt are done. So, thank you, timer. You're useless. Now that I have the strength of 1,000 men. Oh, so I'm trying to get away. Not gonna happen. I'm trying to eat this whole thing, I think. Seems right. Maybe that's too many, actually. Oh, this is a sight to behold. Look at that. Okay, I have to go babysit. I'm not gonna be home till like 1 a.m., but I guess I'm gonna be making a giant cookie in the middle of the night. Just got back from 6 hours of babysitting. Can you tell? It was really fun. Honestly, it's my favorite thing ever. Yay! Okay, anyways. This is a shipwreck on a 30-dish island. Here are the Oreo cookies. Each has their own problem. This one is intact and everything, but it's a little burnt. This one broke, so it's kind of 2 pieces a little bit. Look at that cream filling. This is a frisbee. Anybody up for a game? Whoa, I did 0 measuring. I'm impressed with myself. This is my giant Oreo cookie. Here's my cookie dough. I'm realizing this is hard. I can't work with this. I'm gonna literally put this in the microwave. Is that insane? I don't know, but I'm gonna do it. In you go, buddy. This might ruin everything. We'll see. This is much better. I just mashed my hands into it to test, and this is good. Some of the chocolate chips have kind of melted. Make a bottom. Oh shoot, why would I do that? With no parchment paper or oil. Who am I? I know how to cook. I truly don't know who I am anymore. Parchment paper, let's try that again. A nice little bed for it to sleep on. Thank you. We're kind of getting somewhere. Cover the sides and cover the top, and we'll be golden. Oh, and my hair will be in it, and then we'll be good. Okay, how should we? How's this? This is good. I know what I'm doing. I went to film school. How the hell did I think that this was enough? This is upsetting. That's all of the chocolate chip cookie dough that I have. Empty bowl. I'm gonna have to make some more chocolate chip cookie dough right now. I really hope that went in the bowl. It did! I've used all my strength on stirring. I can't open a bag. And these ones are mini, so these will be a nice juxtaposition. They are as adorable as I thought they would be. Cover the rest of this thing. This does not look the same, so that should be interesting. It's getting too big. There's no way to fit this into the thing anymore. This is just pure insanity. I'm running out of cookie dough again. No, I'm not making more. So I keep thinking I could take some off of the sides and then it just reveals the Oreo. Okay, well, I did it again. This is about as good as it's gonna get. Not that good. It's not. Yeah, we're ready to cook this baby. I'm setting a timer for 15 minutes and I'm gonna check on it then. Okay. Whoop! I just stepped on cookie dough. Well, I took it out of the oven and what we have here is a nice cream of chocolate chip cookie dough soup. Things are going poorly. I don't know why I thought that it wouldn't do this. Really what reason I had. I'm gonna put it back in the oven. I don't know. The moment of truth has come, and this is, this is kind of a major fail. I succeeded in making a giant chocolate chip cookie dough casserole with an Oreo in the center. Oh man. This actually smells so good. So this is what we've ended up with. This is probably really good, so I'm gonna try it. Oh my god. This is life. This is so good. It looks like a piece of poop though. It's melting, leaks sprung everywhere. So I put it in the freezer for a while and it seems to have solidified again. I should have just put it in the freezer before trying to take it out of this little container. So that was a mistake that I made. Hindsight's 2020. Break off these sides to reveal a perfectly perfect chocolate chip cookie stuffed with an Oreo. This is just pure chocolate goo. This is my creation. This is what I have made. Yep. This is it. It tastes delicious. It doesn't look very good. I was really going for the aesthetic. I thought it was going to be beautiful. I truly did. And this just is not. It's just not. Ah, my hair. Hey, Alyssa, what did you do with your Sunday? This beautiful, beautiful artwork. Look, I don't want to call it a failure because there is no such thing as failure. I don't know who said that quote. There's no such thing as failure. Failure is just whatever, blah, blah, blah. I would like them to see this. Please send them this video. Then maybe they can rethink their quote. Failure exists, and it it is in the form of a giant chocolate chip cookie that's melting everywhere. This is what failure looks like. I feel like we spent the whole day together cooking, and it was really, I can't stop petting it. It was really fun. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and comment, subscribe, and do all those things that are good. Maybe I'll try to make something giant again, and maybe I'll switch things up next time and make something that works. Man, okay, yeah, this could be a good cake or something. It's dying so much. My sweet angel. I'm gonna try to cut a piece. Oh god. Okay. Whoa. Did I lie and this is actually amazing? The heck? Look at that. That actually looks really good. It didn't come out of the thing. It's still there. Let's try that again. Are you serious? Look at this. What kind of magic? This is what? There we go.